Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to copy and paste on MSI Cyborg 15. And you can copy and paste different things, like for example files, but you can also copy images and not image as a file. Of course you can copy image as a file, but not only. You can also, if you're in a image editor like Paint or Photoshop or GIMP, then you can simply select the part of the image, copy it, then paste it to like a different tab in that image editor or to a different image editor. Or you can take a screenshot by clicking on print screen key on your keyboard, and it'll get copied automatically once you take it, and you'll be able to simply paste it somewhere, right? Also you can copy text, and I'm gonna show you copying and pasting on an example of text because I think it's the most common thing. So let's open the notepad, then I'm gonna type something in like card reset, for example, and then I can double click on it or just slide my cursor while holding the button to simply select it. Now either right click on it to copy it and click on copy, then you can click on paste wherever you want it, into the same editor or somewhere else, to a message to someone or whatever, but I prefer the option to just select it, then click on Control button combined with C letter on your keyboard. Now I have it copied, so if I want to paste it, I need to click on Control combined with V. And that's how you do it. Pretty simple. Now, as a bonus, I'm gonna show you a clipboard. So if you click on Windows key and V letter, you'll see clipboard. Once you turn it on, it'll save a history of recently copied items. And it saves a history of just a few items, but it's still appreciated by me that you can, for example, have one thing copied, then copy another thing. Like let's select that, click on Ctrl C, and now you can click on Ctrl V to paste it, or Command or Windows V to select what to paste. And of course, these elements will be deleted after some time unless you go to the clipboard and pin them to the top of your clipboard. Now it won't get deleted. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.